Hello, this is Arfan Shahriar.
And this is Down Nailat Islam Nira.
So as you can see, this is my PTE score and it shows 80, which is equivalent to IELTS 8. And you can understand that this is a good result indeed. Fortunately, I was lucky enough to get to know about Alberta education before actually attempting my first ever PTE exam, and this is indeed my result from my first attempt. And I must say I'm to them, the trainers. They were very much committed to our tasks. They were always available, and also importantly, I must mention about their portal. The portal they actually provided us with after getting in touch with them. That really helped me to prepare, helped us actually to prepare for the exam very much. And that's why when I went into the PT center, I actually found it very much familiar. So it really helped me do my best, and you can see the result is here. So if you want to actually study abroad and have a good career path, well, I would definitely suggest you join Alberta Education, and believe me, this will actually help you grow, and it will broaden your knowledge of result and anything you can see over here. So thank you very much. This is from us.